Hey girlfriends, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Elena. What's going on? How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing okay. As you probably saw by the title, today I'm going to be reviewing the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. I was hoping to get this like 2 days ago because I have something really big coming up tomorrow, and I wanted to wash my hair like yesterday, so I could take it down and kind of, go through the whole process today and show y'all results of the hairstyle. But I know that's not gonna happen. I'll just have to kind of show y'all clips of how the outcome is, because it's gonna be a super busy day for me the morning of. So I'm just gonna review this dryer, and I'll probably make a separate video for the style if I even get a chance to do it. But anyway, I'm rambling. Let's get into this review. Okay, so I've already taken the brush out of the box, and that sucker was packed like really well. Like the plastic that it was in was sealed, and the the instructions were in the package. So it was like, it took me like legit 5 minutes to get this thing out of the packaging. So props to Revlon for secure packaging. But anyway, this is what the dryer looks like right here. There I have the on, the cool, low, hot. Is this upside down? Sorry. It has the off, cool, low, and high right there. That's the switch, and then just switch it to what you want to use it on. And this is what the brush looks like itself. Okay. And it's I would say it's lightweight for it to be a dryer. It's lightweight. It feels good in my hand. It's nice and smooth. But with this little thing here, and I guess this right here, that's your grip right there, and it feels pretty good. It feels like I'll be able to use this pretty well. I've only seen a couple of reviews on this brush, but from what I've seen, everyone likes it. So I haven't blown dried my hair in, man, I would say over a year now. I can't even remember when the last, I think it was like two Christmases ago maybe, that I actually blow dry my hair. I do everything air dried. So this is going to be the first of this is going to be a first for me for being a long time. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to work. From what I understand, it's going to go by very quickly. Like, I won't be standing here for 30 minutes blow drying my hair, which is awesome. So let's just get started, okay? I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair. I did use the Pantene Gold Series collection this time around because I wanted to make sure I had those silicones on my hair since I'm using heat. And then I'm also going to be using the Tresemme Heat Protectant. This is the Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Leave-In Spray. I've had this for a minute because obviously I don't use heat on my hair often. So yeah, I did the whole Pantene line right up to the leave-in milk. So that's what I have on my hair right now, and now I'm gonna spray on this Tresemme Heat Protectant. And we'll get started. Is it open? Yeah, it's open. So, and my hair is damp. So hopefully that'll be even, it'll dry even quicker. So yeah. All right, so we got that on this section. And I'm gonna go ahead. So I'm probably gonna mute this out and put some music over just because it's a dryer and it's gonna be loud. So I'm gonna start off on probably the low setting first. And we'll see how warm that gets, and then if I need to move up to high, I'll move up to high. Let's get started. It's not bone straight, but it's blown out. And it wasn't supposed to get bone straight anyway because it's just blow dryer, but this is what it's looking like. Excuse me. I'm thinking maybe I should put it on the higher setting just to see if I can. I just want to get it just a little bit, I guess straight doesn't really matter, but it just seems to me that it's drying a little like puffy. So I'm wondering if I put it on the higher setting, it'll lay it down just a little bit. But I don't want to damage my hair and I don't want to put too much heat on it either. That low setting, it took a little while for it to like heat up. So I was noticing, you know, at the last few passes, it was, you know, more hot. So I'm just gonna put it on the higher setting just to try it. Just wanna see how hot it is, and I'll probably just turn it right back off. So yeah. So it looks like I'm gonna be using that high setting to finish this off. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my hair, drying it, because I really don't have time to play by play. But y'all, look how long my hair is. And I definitely have to trim these ends. Remember that last time I said I needed to trim my ends, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do that since it's not gonna all be straight. And I'll probably wind up taking off about an inch or so. Let's see, hopefully just maybe half an inch. Maybe not even that. I would like to just do the dusting, but if it needs it, I'm gonna cut it off. I'm not trying to run my hands here. So yeah, y'all. I'm going to do the rest of my hair, and I'll put some more music for y'all so you can watch, okay? This is what I look like blown out. A lot of hair. Didn't realize, you know, being curly, you don't realize how much hair you really have. So this is what my hair looks like. Fully blown out. I think I'm gonna be doing a flexi rod set on this blown out hair. I'm not gonna be putting any more heat on it. I think that's enough heat. But my hair definitely feels soft. It does not feel damaged. As I said, I used this and I made sure that I got it on, you know, coated each section. Y'all, I'm sweating. It's hot in here. So yeah, I made sure that I got this Tresemme on each section thoroughly of the hair before I went ahead and started blow drying. At first I was using the high setting. Is it high? Yeah, the high setting. But as I got more comfortable with holding it and maneuvering it around, I just was going from low to dry it and then to cool to kind of finish drying it off and straighten it a little bit more, because the cooler setting is a little bit faster, and so that wind whips a little more, and so it was able to without the heat, and so I was able to get you know, how I wanted it to be, a little bit straighter and not so poofy as it was doing yeah, with the cool setting. So I nixed the hot setting altogether, just did everything on low and then switched to cool. So I really like that method. I think the thing is great. I mean, it still took me a little bit of time to blow dry my hair, but I feel like I would have still been blow drying my hair, like it would have taken longer. You definitely want to make sure that you are detangled before you start using this brush, because it's kind of like a lemon brush, and you know, the bristles, like this is the amount of hair that I brought, and it's really not that much hair. I was gonna lose a little bit when you're doing when you're blow drying, but I didn't lose a lot. So what was I saying? Yeah, you don't want to be having tangles while you blow drying. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you detangle your hair, because it's kind of like a lemon brush, as you can see. And so those bristles will like snag your hair and will pull your hair out. So, but yeah, this is the amount of hair that I lost. It's not really a lot. See that? It looks like a lot, but it really isn't. It's not a lot at all. And plus that's dry hair. It's out. But yeah, it's really comfortable to handle. You know, of course, the higher up that you're holding it, you're gonna start to feel some heat and a little discomfort. So you just kind of want to, you know, slide your hand back down like that. And keep in mind that this is still a blow dryer. So you did see me sometimes just kind of holding it to my head right here, just to kind of get to the roots, because it is a brush. It doesn't go all the way to the root, as you can see. You see this gap here? So I would just kind of hold the brush like this to kind of get that air circulating and flowing through to the scalp. So that's another little tip. Other than that, I like it. I think it's really neat. It's compact. I feel like you could just throw this in your suitcase or something like that if you're traveling. It's lightweight. Yeah, I think it's good. Then pull my hair out. So that's pretty much it. But thanks you guys for watching this video and blow drying my hair with me, y'all. I'm getting ready to trim these ends, y'all. It's a hot mess at the end. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I could do a dusting. If not, then it'll definitely be a trim, and then I'm gonna go ahead and probably, like I said, flexi rod this up for the evening, go cook dinner, and get ready for tomorrow. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see y'all in the next one. Let me know, have y'all purchased this Revlon brush dryer? Have y'all? I know it's been around for a couple of years, but I just was never really interested in blow drying my hair or applying any kind of heat to my hair, so I wasn't in a rush to get it. But hubby wants to see me kind of with semi-straight hair these days, so I'm going to oblige him, of course. And yeah, I just decided to drop a little coin. Oh, this was 30, was it 33? I think it was $33.99. I paid on Walmart.com. I'll see if I can leave the link below the video for y'all to get it, but I think you can get it anywhere. I know it's on Amazon, which I started to buy it on Amazon, but something said check Walmart. On Amazon, it's like $39.99. And like I said, Walmart is $33. And I don't know, I'm sure they sell it at Target and other stores as well, but that's where I got mine from. So it wasn't really, you know, it wasn't that expensive as far as dryers go. I think that's well within the range. So I think it's a good buy. So let me know if you have it, if you like it. Do you plan on buying a dryer in the near future? Are you considering getting this brush? Well, let us know. What's the deal? And you know, do you really enjoy this dryer if you have it? Because I like it, and I think I'll be using it more frequently since it's so easy to use. I mean, of course, my arm got a little tired because, you know, my hands are up and everything, my arms are up. But other than that, it really was not a hassle to use, so I like it. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go for real because I have things to do. See y'all in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't hit it already. I think it's over here, right down here, or you can hit the little head, the little girl head right there, and subscribe there. Don't forget to hit a like on your way out, and leave some comments down below. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.